What's up, AVI fans? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a special video here showing you how to remove the rear decal, or not a decal, it's your Subi emblem that you're going to remove, and I got this new Subi emblem from SubiSpeed.com. And so this one glows in the dark, and along with that I have this adhesive remover just to remove this emblem here, and I got the hairdryer to help, and I have some super cleaner from Car Guys just to clean the area so that the new emblem will stick better.
And you got something in your teeth? Is that what you have, the floss?
And then floss just to help you know, get in there, remove that emblem. So yeah, we'll take you to through the process, and just join us and let's get started. So first things first, we're gonna heat up that area so we can get that sticky glue behind this loose so we can try and remove it. So I'm gonna get started with this blow dryer here. It's gonna take a few minutes.
Is that yours?
It's my mom's. Let's do it. AVI tip here. So in order to get the floss started, I had to kind of dig in the floss in there with my fingernail just to get it kind of through, and then now that I'm in this position, just gonna kind of go this way. Hopefully some of that adhesive is worn, but if not, we can probably still warm it up here. So we just found out, if you got a 2016 Subaru Impreza, that there's like two prongs right in the middle of this emblem, and you can kind of see it through here. Those two prongs back there. Yep, right center there.
Yep, that silver thing, and then you got one on this side too, right there.
Yes. So really we're just trying to remove the stickiness from around, and then we'll just pull it right off. So we've got the card in there. Let's keep trying.
So yeah, so we shoved the card. So what we did is we used floss to like kind of lift it up and then get the card in there, and now we're trying to work our way around it.
Okay, now I'm in here coming in hot with this prior. Eye protection is recommended.
Where's in the video?
You're compromising the video. I'm worried this is gonna backfire.
Do you need my help?
It's flexing. But we got something. Go. Oh, yes. It's coming, it's coming!
That's all.
Yeah, buddy! Gotta geek. So I got the old Subi emblem out. Here's the two prongs we were talking about. And there's still a lot of adhesive left, so we gotta remove that ASAP. So we're gonna do that now, or what? You wanna make sure it's nice and clean, so you got a clean surface to put the new emblem on. All right, let's get to it. All right, after long hard work and a bunch of elbow grease, we finally got this done. So you can see here, no more adhesive on this thing. We use proper stuff, the Glue Gun Automotive.
If you haven't seen our video on Glue Gun Automotive,
check it out. It works the best. We should have tried this from the beginning. And then, yeah, and then just a bunch of elbow grease just to get that off. Then I use this just to clean the oily surface, just so it's like now it's nice and dry and slick free. And now we got this new aftermarket glow in the dark Subi emblem, and it has these prongs right in the back, just like these little holes right back there. So we're gonna just test fit it right now, and that's how it would look.
looks
So
really nice.
Right now, yeah, that looks fine, and then all we got to do is just take out the adhesive, and then we can get it done and be finished. All right, so it's held on by 3M. Just gonna move that. Make sure you got it aligned in place, and then here goes nothing.
Wait. Now you're gonna want to press.
Okay.
Push!
Push it.
Push it.
What the? Coming off on the highway. Didn't even stick.
No.
No. What happened? Hey AVI, so scratch the last part we did because my emblem just kept falling off, so I bought this plastic emblem and trim adhesive. So I think we're gonna use this, put it on here, and stick it straight on. Hopefully this works better, so I'll show you how that works and what I did. And this is how I have it set up, so let's give it a try. And after waiting 30 minutes or so, you see that there's no jiggle in it like it used to be, and it's on there securely. So if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, like, and just like that, AVI out.